Hello friends, welcome to my second session. In this video, I am going to explain you about the various formulae of mean. The word average is commonly used in our daily life. As for example, average marks, average weight, average income, average use of cell phones per day, average number of students in a class, etc. Different authors have given different definition of average. An average is an attempt to find one single figure to describe whole of the figures. An average value is a single value within the range of the data that is used to represent all the values in the series. Since an average is somewhere within the range of the data, it is also called as measure of central value. It is clear from the above definitions that an average is a single value that represents the group of values. Such a value is of great significance because it depicts the characteristics of the whole group. Since an average represents the entire data, its values lie somewhere in between the two extremes, that is, the largest and the smallest items. For this reason, an average is frequently referred to as a measure of central tendency. Types of average: arithmetic mean, median, and mode. But in this video, we will try to understand different formulae for mean. We will ponder on calculation of simple arithmetic mean, shortcut method, calculation of arithmetic mean, discrete series, calculation of arithmetic mean, continuous series, and weighted arithmetic mean. Calculation of simple arithmetic mean. Its value is obtained by adding together all the items and by dividing this total by the number of items. So here we can just see the formula mean is equal to summation x by n. The shortcut method, mean is equal to a plus summation d by n, where a represent assumed mean. Calculation of arithmetic mean, discrete series. There are two ways. One is direct method, the other one is shortcut method. For direct method, the formula is summation fx by n, and for shortcut method, a plus summation fd by n. Calculation of arithmetic mean, continuous series. For direct method, mean is equal to summation fm by n, and for shortcut method, there are two methods. One where class intervals are given, we will use this particular formula, and where class intervals are not given, we will use this particular formula. Weighted arithmetic mean, summation wx divided by summation w. I will be doing problems of all these formulae one by one. Here, this is the problem 1. The following table gives the monthly income of 10 employees in an office. Calculate the arithmetic mean of income. Now here the incomes are given here. All the incomes are given here. So I have made a table and written all the 10 employees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the respective incomes here in the other column, wherein I have totaled it, and the total becomes 62,650. So to calculate arithmetic mean, it is very simple, as we have seen the formula summation x by n. So summation x is 62,650, n is 10. So when you divide 62,650 divided by 10, that will give you 6,265. There is a homework for you. You all can try this particular problem. Calculate the arithmetic mean of marks for 15 students from the following data and try to put your answers in the comment box. That's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. This is Dolan signing off. Take care and see you all in my next session.